Some glittered, some glowed. Some dealt with violence and shame, others with the strength of the human spirit. But all were united on one theme. May 17th is International Day Against Homophobia, also known as Idaho. At Chippendale's Pine Street Gallery, artists and supporters celebrated at the Idaho Sydney exhibition, curated by artists Luke Callahan and Nick Baldus.
The more noise you make, the more awareness you create, no matter what avenue you decide to choose, is good. Because it drags, homophobia out of the closet.
Shedding light on homophobia and changing attitudes to homosexuality is what this annual event is all about. May 17th marks an important victory for equal rights campaigners. It's the day in 1990 the World Health Organization removed homosexuality from its list of mental illnesses.
This art exhibition is just one of many, many steps that are already being taken around the world to increase awareness that homophobia is a real problem and it can destroy lives.
It bothers me that in society today they may have less of a chance at jobs, they may have less of a chance at being treated equally just because of their sexuality.
More than a dozen artists donated their works to the cause.
So pretty much what I've done is, within my image, instead of using male and female, I've created a little ceremony male to male. Within our community there's so many beautiful, talented people. Why can't we have the same rights? Why can't we get, for one thing, why can't we get married? Why are these legislations put into place that I can't love my partner?
But alongside the anger were messages of love. For men and women, young and old, straight and gay, Idaho 2009 was an occasion to raise their voices, celebrate diversity, and unite in the struggle for equality.